excited because today we are meeting a new kitty that we might want to adopt. A younger brother for Oliver because he has a beautiful older brother, Mr. Bob. But Oliver definitely needs a playmate. He's so young and we just know, he'd be running around all crazy by himself. We play with him a lot, especially me because I'm home all day with him. But girl, we are so crazy because what we did was we got catnip and we put it all over. Hold on, Daddy, I was just talking about the catnip. We put it all over our bodies. And girl, in my purse, I got greenies and I got churros. So wish us luck meeting him. He's cute, you guys. We saw photos and he's so cute. And the foster person said the kitty is good with dogs. We don't have dogs, but good to know. Good to know in case. He's so cute. This is the adoption place. We get to take him home. The Fosters just left. They were so nice. Gave him a beautiful life. Look at him. He's my ginger kitty.
I opened it so we could pet him.
They don't know exactly how old he is. They said 3 to 5 months. I'm thinking he's more like 5 because he's big. His name is Cooper. Coopy, Coopy, Cooper. Oh, look at my pappy's face. He's so delectable. Hi, Angel baby. We love you. You're gonna be loved for the rest of your life.
Isn't that right?
Hello, Oliver. Oliver likes all the squirrely whirlies. Look, there's a big one over here. So cute. I love them all. Oh, look at Mr. Is that Chippy Nibbles? It could be. Oh, there you are, little Bubba. And just like that, we have a new kitty. So his name is Cooper. He is, well, I asked the foster parent and she said 3 to 5 months, but we looked at the paperwork. Justin's really good at that. He looks at all the paperwork because we were getting him pet insurance right away. And Justin saw he was born in June. So he is 6 months old. Oliver has already met him. Mr. Bob hasn't yet because Mr. Bob, he'd be staying upstairs sleeping. But Oliver met him already through the cat carrier, and Oliver was curious. I gave Oliver a churro when he immediately met Cooper so that it's like a good, a good connotation, a good situation experience. He didn't even care about his churro. He just wanted to smell Cooper, so that's awesome stuff. When Cooper was in the carrier and Oliver was trying to smell him, Cooper was like growling. That's normal. And then we put Cooper downstairs in the basement bathroom. We have the little robot down there, water, some dry food, what else? And 2 blankets. So we're gonna let him stay there for the night. That's what you do when you first have a pet and introduce them to their new surroundings. A new cat, I don't know dog because I never had a dog like that. But yeah, when you first have a cat, that's what you have to do. You put them in their own space for a day, 2 days, 3 days, however long it takes. For us, we're gonna just do a day with Cooper because the foster parent said that he's quite good at adjusting to his new environment. The foster parent has had him for 3 weeks and he's from Arkansas. I don't know anything else about his situation, just that he was from Arkansas and they took him here to Minnesota. So that's interesting because Ollie is from Alabama. That's all I have to share. I'm so excited. I love me a ginger kitty. And it's so weird. When we entered the door, it said like Oliver's waiting room or something like that. And I'm like, what? We got a cat named Oliver. It felt like it was meant to be. And then when we were driving home with Cooper, we're going to keep his name, by the way. Cooper's cute. We don't have any names for him. So we were like, you know what? Cooper is cute. And yeah, when we were driving home, we saw the car in front of us. License plate was Sun Paw. Like, like sunrise, sun paw. I don't know. Maybe I'm reading into it. But I really feel in my whole heart that it was all meant to be. We actually wanted to adopt his brother. His brother's name was Milo. Milo was adopted already. There were 2 people interested. They didn't even get our application. But they got our application for Cooper, which makes no sense at all. But doesn't matter. I would have adopted both of them so they could have been together because that's one thing I couldn't do in my 20s was adopt 2 at a time, but I can do that now that I'm 40 and I have space for them, you know. But all the siblings were adopted. I guess Cooper had a brother and 2 sisters, and I wanted Cooper and Milo to be together, but someone already got Milo. And I wonder why someone chose Milo over Cooper. We just didn't see Cooper's profile. We only saw Milo's. That's why we were interested in Milo. But when we saw Cooper, we were like, that face is freaking delicious. He has a beautiful face, a lovely demeanor. He meowed like the first minute he got in the car, and then he stopped. He's so lovely, and the fact that he came up to us, like we were like, we're not sure, because he was under the couch the whole time, and then all of a sudden he came out to me first, and then he came out to Liam, and then Jacob and Justin, and we were like, the fact that he came out of the couch, do you know how long a cat can sit it out and be afraid? Like Mr. Bob, we've been patient, so patient with our Bob, that we knew that a cat could just hide under the couch forever, all day. That could be their lifestyle, like Mr. Bob, you know? And so the fact that he came to see us, I was like, okay. And he was so nosy, he was looking out the window. I was like, okay, we love me a nosy kitty, yes we do. So, I'm so happy! Is the family complete? No, I could get another one. I want another one. I do be loving, I want 5 cats. I want a whole colony. How about you, bud?
Yeah, I like cats.
Yeah, Liam said he likes cats. You want to say hi? You haven't been here in a while.
Hello.
Look at my beautiful boy. Liam hasn't been into being in the box. Oh, he said I'm a beautiful boy too. You know, I'm very respectful. If they don't want to be in it, they don't have to be in it. But if they want to, they can. Yeah, so anyways, we're going to have lunch. We're celebrating with some yummy empanadas. There's this place that has really good empanadas, so we ordered some of that. Hello, I'm here with my Ollie. And I changed because my shirt was smelling weird, and I wonder if like Archie Cooper peed on me or something when I held him for the first time. It just smelled funny. So I was like, let me just change, because we are gonna go bowling with the family. We had plans to go bowling with the family in the afternoon and then have dinner with them. And Archie is in the bathroom hanging out for a while until he gets used to it. He's hiding underneath the sink actually, but that's just the way it is. We've done this many times with a move, with our cats, with Oliver, with Bob, with Sunrise, with Charlie. We know how it goes. Hello, we're here at the bowling place. We are ready. We're texting the fam to see if they're here. Sharon, Steve, Sophia, Jessica, Uncle Brad, Aunt Carrie, and Aunt Nancy. Oh, and Chicken Little. We are bowling. Go Justin. Justin is winning. Can you see the scoreboard? Oh, this is interesting. We came back home and we found a bunny outside. Hey, little bunny. I didn't know bunnies were outside. Like, I thought they, like... Honestly, I thought they were like birds where they like migrated to a warmer climate. I'm hecka slow. I did not know this. Baby. That's our baby. He's so cute. Hi, Bubba. Look at our sweet angel baby. He's purring already. Oh, look at that face. That's the most perfect face I've ever seen. This is where he's staying. Our guest bathroom. He's got food. I bought a churro. He's got his, well, we're trying to train him to use a little robot. And then we have a regular one. He's so cute, you guys. Oh
I guess he was under the vanity here.
Under here.
Yeah, I just sat here for maybe 15 minutes or 10 minutes. And then I put my hand under, he sniffed me and then finally came out. We just had to give him some time to adjust.
Dude, this is like the fastest adjustment I've ever seen in my life.
He housed.
Nice appetite, buddy. He's gonna be a big bag. I just know it. All the cats in this household. Hi, gorgeous. The foster parent gave it to us because she said this is his favorite toy and I want him to keep it. You can tell she really loved him. Hi, baby. I love me a ginger. Yes, I do. He's so beautiful.
He's so tiny.
I think Cooper's a good name, honey.
Yeah.
Like, I think, like, that's his name. Coopy, Coopy. Coopy, Whoopy. He's so cute. Sophia's here, by the way. We're having a sleepover because we're going to take them to Slick City early in the morning. Slick City's pretty far, but we heard it's a really fun place, so we thought we'd take Sophie girl with us. So Liam's going to sleep here. This is a nugget. It's like a cushion, and all I did was put a sheet down and a comforter. And then Jacob and Sophia can sleep on this bed. It's just a small bed, so they like really can't be fitting. But yeah, I don't think I'll see in Jacob's room. This is what we got going on. It's kind of messy right now because sleepover is about to happen. And all the stuffed animals are just everywhere right now. Hello, my friends. We're here parked in front of Slick City. It's far from our house, but we did it. It's a play date. Jakey's friend's mom reached out to me and was like, hey, are you going to be in town during winter break? And I was like, yeah. And she's like, do you want to have a play date at Slick City? And I was like, of course. And then we invited our Sophie girl. That's why she slept over, so that we could do Slick City. Bowling was fun with the family yesterday. I do not know how to bowl. Like, there were like so many times that it hit the gutter. We got our socks. This place is amazing. We came right when they opened, so barely anyone's here. Yay! Was that fun? Oh my gosh. Was a Benihana right next to the Slick City, so here we are. I'm so excited, girls, because I haven't had any in a long time.
Time.
My second time.
Uh-oh.
Look at that Wagyu fried rice. They got filet, and Sophia got chicken. Justin ate his Wagyu. It's gone.
Dude, it was fire.
I got scallops. Bubby's hair looks good.
Turn to the side slightly. That way. Angle, like that, like that.
It looks so good. Production's happening. We're getting all of our scent, and then we're gonna rub it on our little Koopy Whoopy. Hi, Koopy.
Cuckoo clock.
Cuckoo clock. Koopy Whoopy baby. Koopy. Look at them. Look how cute they are. They're about to be besties for life.
Oliver's getting into attack mode.
I know. Oliver, that is not a squirrel, okay? That's your brother. Oliver, those are some fighting words. Be nice. It's okay. But, you know, this is normal. They do this and then they get along for life. It happened with Sunrise, Charlie, Mr. Bob, all of it.
This used to happen when one of the cats would come back from the vet.
Yeah, and even Mr. Bob and Oliver had a little sound off too, like this. Remember, Oliver? You, like a few months ago, it was you. Mr. Bob said, "This my house."
Now he's the Mr. Bob and he's the Oliver.
No, Mr. Bob's still Mr. Bob. He's still the head of this household. Huh. Hi, Cooper. Come here, Koopy. Come here, baby. Koopy, Whoopy.
Sorry, I was trying to unload it.
Koopy. Look at Koopy. He's just playing with a Nerf thing. Hi, baby. You know, he's the most resilient and, like, I don't know, the one to adjust to our house, like, faster than any cat we've ever had. He went on our lap already. He be going, like, showing our belly to get belly rubs. It's crazy. Oh, what you doing, Cooper?
Cookie.
Koopy Whoopy. He's so cute.